Hey guys, it's Kristen Stevenson, and this is my presentation for All About Me. Where am I from? I grew up in Cecil County, Maryland, and I went to Northeast High School. Upon graduating from college, I got married and moved to Bear, Delaware. For my background, I went to Cecil College in Cecil County, Maryland, and I obtained my associate's degree in elementary education. After Cecil College, I went to Wilmington University, where I obtained my bachelor's degree in elementary education, as well as my certificate in child advocacy studies. When I graduated from Wilmington, I got my first teaching job, and now I'm back at Wilmington getting my master's in applied technology. I work at Pulaski Elementary School in Wilmington, Delaware, and that is with the Christina School District. I teach second grade there, and this is my second year there. I don't have any experience teaching online, but I do have experience taking some courses online at both Cecil College and Wilmington University. In my classroom, I have computers for my students and iPads for my students, and I also have a smart board that I use regularly to incorporate in my different lessons, and also have the students interact with them during center time. And something fun about me, I said previously that I like to try new things. I have done goat yoga this past year, as well as the aerial yoga. And last month for my birthday, I got tickets to go skydiving. So that's what I will be doing later this year when it gets a little bit warmer. All right, thanks guys.